fantastic day. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super quick and delicious vanilla-based cold brew LifeBoost smoothie, shake, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. It's going to be delicious. All it requires is about 8 ounces of cold brew. Pick your poison, whatever flavor you would like. I just went with our medium roast. You're gonna need about 1/2 cup of vanilla yogurt. I prefer Greek yogurt. I like the thickness of that. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla, and then 1/2 cup of whatever your milk choice is. I chose an unsweetened vanilla almond milk because vanilla. So we're gonna go ahead and just dump all of this plus ice. So I went ahead and just put my cold brew in with my ice. You're gonna need about 1 cup of ice for this recipe. And you just dump all of these ingredients right into your blender. Of course, if you want to jazz this up, you could add, some flax seeds, some chia seeds, some protein powder, any of those lovely ingredients to add a little bit more health benefits to this as well. And our vanilla. You could also use vanilla bean if you didn't want to use the vanilla extract. And of course, pour right back into that glass that you used for the ice and the cold brew. And you have yourself a delicious vanilla treat. As always, if you try this recipe, please let me know. Thank you and have a great day.